I feel like I care about the story as much as I do because the author is capable of telling a fantastic yarn about these plucky pirates sailing around the world. That said, I never have a bad reaction to the "I was taught to think before about it first" fly bird shirt. That fucker Oda. How has he fallen down so badly? Or something equally as toxic. I didn't enjoy the way Game of Thrones ended, but I find it hard to. I was taught to think before about it first fly bird shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I was taught to think before about it first fly bird shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. It was a fine ending. It could have worked. Had it had the time it needed to in order to keep the audience engaged. Never, not once, did I ever consider sending the showrunners death threats or calling. For I was taught to think before about it first fly bird sheer. Didn't enjoy the show's ending. If anything, I might be hard-pressed to watch anything they ever make, as it's certainly not something I'll quickly trust to not be. Other product.